Hi guys, it's me again, Lion Eyes Official, nagbablog para sa inyo ng pawang katotohanan at walang halong kasinungalingan. Ito ay vlog na totoo ang nilalaman. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating lahat ng mga subscribers, viewers, and followers sa ating FB page Lion Eyes. Sana po ay lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Ngayon po ay April 19, araw ng Sabado. So, ang topic for today ay tungkol sa open letter ulit. So, ika-credit po natin ito kay Mark Ian. Kung followers niyo po kayo sa FB page, malamang nabasa na rin po ninyo yung kanyang open letter kay Senator Amy Marcos. So, babasahin po natin. An open letter to Senator Amy R. Marcos. Manang Amy, in 2019, we stood by you, we campaigned for you, defended your name, and followed every instruction to help bring you the Senate. Not because it was easy, but because we believe in what you represented, the Marcos brand of leadership. We carried your banner, we silenced the doubts, we gave you space in when others wouldn't, even when support for you and waned in many circles. We remained loyal. And then, just last month, we received the same order. Include Manang, help her. We followed. We obeyed, quietly, dutifully. Even when many loyalists, nabubulol na naman ang inyong lingkod. Ulit. Even when many loyalist groups, those who once admired you deeply, had already walked away. Even when it grew harder and harder to defend your presence in our campaign, we continued to honor that order. But now, we can no longer hold our silence. Because the most painful betrayal isn't from strangers. It's from someone you called family. You, Manang, are attacking your own brother. And not because of principle, not because of a difference in vision, but because of pride, because of ambition, because of control, because of Duterte. You didn't just choose politics over family, you choose destruction over dignity. This isn't strategy, this is tragedy. And you didn't just disappoint your brother. You disappoint all of us, the ones who carried you even when it cost us. You were never alone when we helped you when it was hardest to do so. We gave you a chance when others had already closed their doors. And this is how you repay it. You didn't just go low, you turned against your own. Family should never be the first casualty of politics. But now the people see, and the silence we kept to protect you, it ends here. With heartbreak, Mark Ian. So ito po yung open letter ni Mark Ian kay Senator Amy Marcos. So alam po natin na si Amy Marcos ay kumalas na po sa alyansa ni PBBM at inendorso na po siya ni Senator Robin Padilla and VP Duterte. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam ng commercial ni VP and Senator Amy Marcos, pakinggan po natin ito. This is called Itim.
Itim. Maglalaban tayo ni Amy Marcos.
Itim ngayon ang kulay ng bansa. Sa gutom at krimen, nagluluksa.
Gutom na ang sikmura. Gutom pa sa hustisya. Ginigipit ang hindi kaalyansa.
Marami ang nagsasalita.
Pero sino lang ba ang may ginawa? Sino ang may ginagawa?
Itim ang kulay ng pakikiraman.
Itim ang kulay ng pakikisa.
Itim, laban ng tama.
Tama ang mali.
Iboto si Senator Amy.
Iba number 39 sa Baroda, Senator Amy Marcos.
Itim.
So, ayun yung kanilang campaign ads. Anyway, kung shinare nyo na siguro yung yung kanilang campaign, anong tawag dun? Campaign fund. Di ba bilyon-bilyon ang campaign fund ng mga to? Eh di kung shinare nyo kaya sa ating mga kapwa Pilipinong nagugutom, eh di sana na-solve yung problema nila, di ba? So, anyway, nasa inyo na yan kung ibuboto nyo si Senator Amy. Pero sa akin, 0 vote. Wala na, parang nakakawalan ng gana. Anyway, depende po sa inyo yan. No. Nasa inyo po yan kung ibuboto nyo siya or hindi. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating topic for today. Salamat po sa pakikinig. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na po. Paki-like, paki-share, and paki-click na rin po yung ating notification button para updated po kayo sa ating mga videong i-upload. Lion Eyes muli, naniniwala sa kasabihang, di baling konti ang views, ang importante, hindi tayo nagpapakalat ng fake news. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. I love you all. Bye-bye.